Hi, I'm Ron with Full Time Dream, and here we are at the Western New York RV show again. And we're going to go through the Adventurer 30T. Step up inside. Hopefully the music isn't going to be giving us any problems. We'll start out going along. Got a double recliner type of theater seating. Great big area for storage in between the seats. Storage up above on the slide. There's a coat rack, key rack right across over top of the door. Little box up above. This thing's set up pretty nice. We have a bunk that comes down over the front seats. Across. We have a television with the televator that comes up out of the countertop. A 2-seat center with a nice little dinette. There's a gray stone convection oven. There's a 3-burner propane stovetop. Big drawers underneath for pots and pans. Over on the side is the kitchen area. Cutting board over top of the double sink. Nice cabinets over top of the sink area.
That's right, I do remember. This is a drop down bed.
Flip up on the counter. There are a few more smaller drawers. Everything's all made with plywood, not fretboard, which is real good quality. Got the refrigerator freezer. Pantry area on the side of the refrigerator. Come back into the bath area. There's a shower on the left hand side. The glass door. The bath area. Porcelain toilet. Coming back to the queen bed that slides out in the bedroom. There's cabinet drawers over top. Looks as though that there is an outlet on both sides along with a 12-volt outlet. Emergency exit. Wardrobes. Couple of drawers right underneath the little vanity area. A small television up above. Big double doors down below. The drawers on both sides. Again, the wardrobe on both sides. It's got an accordion type door that goes across.